In this video, I will show you how to create long multi-scene video ads in minutes. You just enter an idea and the AI agent builds a full workflow. It writes the scripts, generates the video clips, stitches everything together and even adds background music. And if you want to change something or try a different hook or CTA, you just enter it in the chat and the AI replaces only that part. 15-second video clips are not enough anymore. You need a professional ad production workflow that allows you to A/B test variations in a predictable way. And the platform has all the latest AI models like Claude, Zdance, Kling, 11 Labs, and it works with any product type, physical products but also apps and websites. In this video we will build workflows for different video types like UGC ads, unboxing videos or cool visual effects. And then we will create variations and really scale our ad production. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. We will later create a workflow from scratch, but for now let's start from a template. For example, this UGC Father's Day video.
I wanted to get my dad something actually special this year, so I picked this wallet for him. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Oh wow, this is nice. This is really nice.
We can now open this in AdFlow, where we can see the underlying workflow that generated this video. And here we can insert our own product. So I can replace this wallet with a different product image. For example, this Z4 energy drink. You can just upload an image. For the brand name, we will just enter Z4 energy maybe. And the last input is a product description. I've prepared this. This is a delicious energy drink with caffeine. Make the young Gen Z influencer gift this energy drink to his boomer father and let him make fun about his heart going to explode. From the caffeine/energy. The Gen Z mocks his father with over the top "you are old" humor. So I didn't just enter the product description here, but also instructions for the generated video, because the AI is smart enough to understand this. This will go through an AI to generate the full video prompt and finally an AI video generator. You can also change the model here. Currently this is set to Zdance 2, which is one of the best models available. You can change this if you want. There's other configuration available like the resolution or aspect ratio. And then we just run this whole workflow to generate a new video for our product. This takes a minute or two. Let's check out the result. So first, this is the prompt it generated from the description and the image, and this is the video.
I wanted to get my dad something actually useful this year, so I got him this. Happy Father's Day.
Look how realistic this bottle looks. I think that's pretty sick. The lighting and everything looks very realistic. Now there's a typo here, supports fat loss, but I think that's acceptable.
So I got him this. Happy Father's Day, old man.
Oh man, this is gonna make my heart explode.
Exactly. You need the senior edition caffeine.
You're ridiculous.
Yeah, I think this is really good. And it highlights the strengths of a workflow like this. We can put our own creativity into it. Like I had this idea of adding this old man humor, and the AI then turns this into a full video. And there are hundreds of different templates like this available. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Real life to floating product shot. That's a cool effect. Again, let's open it in AdFlow. Again, I want to use the Z4 energy drink as the product image. Let's pick a different one this time, maybe this dark can. And that's all the input we need here. The AI then generates the starting frame and the end frame and animates between them. Pretty simple, right? Let's run this. And for the image model, right now we use Nano Banana Pro. Again, you have other models available, but this is one of the best currently. Now you might be wondering what this chat box here on the right is for. We will talk about this in a moment, stay tuned. And here's the result. So this is the starting frame, this is the end frame, and I think they both look amazing. Look how delicious this end frame looks. And it came up with the idea just from the image of the can, automatically. Let's check out the video. Yeah, this is amazing. It's a very short clip, but I will show you how to create longer videos in a moment. For this, let's open another one, this ASMR unboxing video with sound effects. Let's open this in the AdFlow builder. And this video is how long? 15 seconds, which is the limit of a single AI generated video with the latest models at the moment. And I want to make this longer by creating multiple clips and stitching them together. Now we could modify this workflow ourselves. We could add another video generator, for example, that generates the second half of the video. But I don't want to do this manually because it's complicated. This is why we want to use the AI Copilot instead. That's this chat window here on the right that can modify this workflow for us. And I've already prepared a prompt where I basically tell it to create a longer video by creating different scenes, different starting frames, so that we have one coherent video. We can even change the model down here. Fable is the strongest one, but it will take a bit longer, which is fine. So let's send this. So the AI updated the whole workflow and added the newer nodes that we need to make our long video. This will actually create 4 different video clips now and stitch them together. This is why we have so many different nodes. We need video generators, prompt generators, but we don't have to care about this because the AI did all the work for us. Now granted, the organization looks a bit weird because it didn't take these original groups into account, but this doesn't really matter because we don't have to care about what exactly is going on here. We just care about the final result. And if we don't like anything, we can just tell the agent to update it. And now it asks us to run this workflow to generate the remaining clips. So let's do this. And here is the final result. So now it generates 4 video clips instead of just 1 and stitches them together into one long video. Let's check out the result. And then we will try it out with a different product. The quality is amazing. Looks so realistic. And the sound effects. That's a bit funny. Let's try it out with a different product. We can just replace the product here for any product we want. We just need a single image. Let's try these shoes here, for example. We can also add a product description. These shoes are very comfortable but also robust enough to endure hard exercise. This is the only input we need, and then we just run this whole workflow again for our new product, which generates all the prompts, starting frames, video clips, and it stitches them together. But actually, before we generate this, I want to make one more change to the workflow. I want the AI to generate subtle background music that goes well with the ASMR sound effects. Let's send this to the agent. So now the AI added additional nodes, a music prompt writer, which generates music unique to our product, and a background music generator, which then flow into the video editor here. So let's run this whole workflow with our new product, with our shoes. And here is the final video with background music. Let's check it out. Pretty good, huh? Now there are some little moments that are not perfect. I think it's good enough to post. But if you want to replace a certain scene, you can tell the AI to only replace scene 2, for example. Or even change the instructions to be more specific. But the cool thing about this is its reusability. We can insert any product here and it will regenerate a similar long ASMR unboxing video for all of them. And we can generate anything we can imagine by just telling the AI. We can also create whole workflows from scratch, and the easiest way to do that is via the AI agent. Here we have chat mode and workflow mode. I have a separate video on the chat mode. I will put it into the video description below. Check it out afterwards. But we want to build a workflow. And here it pays off to be precise. So I've prepared a rather long prompt with instructions for a workflow I want to build to make viral day of eating 9x16 TikTok videos. So I want to be able to select an influencer and a product before I run this workflow. The first clip should start with a mirror selfie video and the AI avatar posing slightly. We have some voiceover and social media style text on the screen, captions. And then I want 3 to 5 additional clips that each show a first-person smartphone video of a healthy meal, each on a different background. Now, because this should be an ad, I also added that I want one of the meals to include the attached product, for example, an energy drink or a snack, and I want the avatar to highlight its benefits. In the final clip, we have the same mirror selfie as in scene 1 and a CTA to follow, and the video should be 45 to 60 seconds long, roughly. The AI will then stitch them together and also add fitting background music. I will put this whole prompt into the video description below if you want to copy it. And as an additional tip, whenever you want to create a very long prompt, use an AI voice dictation tool because it's much easier to speak it out than write it by hand. I use Whisperflow for that. I have a video on it. I will put it in the video description. You can check it out afterwards. So let's try this out. Let's create this workflow. So based on my instructions, the AI came up with a plan. We can revise it with additional instructions, or if we like it, generate it. And now the AI generated the whole workflow with a bunch of different video generators for the different scenes. If you don't like anything about it, you can send a follow-up message and have the AI change it. And now we have to provide 2 inputs. As I said in my input prompt, I want to set an influencer and a product. And that's exactly what we can do here. For the influencer, we select an avatar. I actually have a clone of me right here. We will check that out later. But for now, let's use this fit black guy here. That's the influencer for our video, and then we select the product that we want to incorporate in our day of eating video. Remember? So I select one of these C4 energy drinks, and that's all the input we need. Let's generate it. And it generates all these different video clips in parallel, which saves us a lot of time. And then it stitches them together into one final video. And here is the final video. So the AI generated the different frames for the different clips, and then it stitched them together into one long video. Now there was one problem. It generated a female voice for these clips, even though I added a male influencer. I told the AI Copilot about this problem. It figured out why it happened, and then we fixed it. And here is the final video.
How I eat to stay lean and strong as a busy entrepreneur. Here's my full day of eating.
Breakfast is Greek yogurt, berries, and honey. 40 grams of protein to start the day right.
Looks super realistic.
Lunch is grilled chicken, rice, and greens. Simple, filling, keeps me full for hours.
I'm getting hungry.
Post-workout, I reach for this.
And this is the product integration. Remember, we attached our product, which is this energy drink, and I wanted to incorporate it naturally into the video.
Tastes incredible and gives me clean energy right when I need it. Dinner is salmon, roasted veggies, and quinoa. The perfect way to close out the day.
That's a full day. Follow for more real, sustainable eating.
I think the result is amazing. Again, we can replace the influencer and the product and then reuse this workflow 1,000 times for different videos. But as I told you earlier, the real strength is to now replace only single parts of this video, for example the CTA or our product integration, so that we can A/B test like a professional. Again, instead of doing this manually, I'm just gonna tell the AI, video looks good, but I want to try out different hooks. Regenerate only the first and the last scene with new prompts, including the starting frame. Show him in a tank top and make him slightly more muscular. And then we can test if this better resonates with our audience. So it updated the workflow and then it asks us to run 4 nodes, which are only the nodes that we have to rerun to generate a new starting and end clip. Because we want to keep all the other ones identical, right? So let's confirm this. It regenerates the starting frame, the first clip and the last clip, and then it replaces them in the final video. And all the other clips should still be the same afterwards. Okay, so it regenerated the starting and end frame. The guy now looks different, but that's fine because we don't see him in these other clips. So let's check out the final video.
POV, staying scrudded at 12% body fat with a full-time job. Here's exactly what I eat in a day.
Breakfast is Greek.
We already know all of these, right? So let's skip them.
Lean without starving myself. Follow for the full plan.
And that's how we create variations for A/B testing like a true professional ad agency. We can also create complete custom avatars either from a prompt or by uploading an image or a video. And you can automatically scrape product information and images from a URL, for example an Amazon link, so you don't have to set this up manually. And then you can use them in your workflow. I have a full tutorial on how to create your custom avatar in the video description below. Check it out next to make your workflows truly unique. Because you don't want to use one of these predefined generic influencers that anyone else can use. If you need more fine control, you can also edit a video in the integrated video editor. So this loaded all these clips and the background music into this editor. Here you can trim these clips if they are too long. You can replace the avatar, change the script, change the captions, the background music. You can do everything directly in here. You don't need a separate video editing software. And when you are done, just click on render and you get a brand new video that you can then download and post. I will put a link to Creatify into the video description below, give it a try. And if you want to learn more cool things you can do with the AI video agent, check out this video here in the end card next.